National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, until 11:15 p.m. At 9:35 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots across Frederick and Carroll counties, Maryland, moving east at 45 knots. This line of thunderstorms will be near Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots, locally high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. A severe thunderstorm warning